Hey, buddy, how you doing? I'm doing pretty good. Hey, you want some of this food? Really? Here, try some. Ooh, this is very interesting. Here, let me help you with that. Snap out of it! Snap out of it! Snap out of it! He's choking! CPR sucks. All better. I'm all better. What the heck were you choking on? Choking on my food.
What?
What food? The food you made for me. Ooh, it sucked. Don't blame me. It's the first time I ever cooked for you. Bye. Subscribe, leave a comment, or leave a like. Bye.